Hello students, welcome to Social Science YouTube channel. Today I'm uploading video number 9. So in this video number 9, we will discuss political science, third chapter, India's relationship with other countries. So let us go. MCQ questions of this chapter. The question number 1, the Article 51 as explained. A. International peace and coexistence. B. Fundamental rights and duties. C. Election of president and vice president. D. Industrial and environmental policies. Yes, children, the correct answer is international peace and coexistence. So this Article 51 speaks about India's foreign policy with other countries. The silk trade between China and India is discussed in A. Megasthenes Indica, B. Kautilya's Arthashastra, C. Yuan Tsang's Siyuki, D. Fayan's Gokuki. So this is discussed in B. Kautilya's Arthashastra. In Kautilya's Arthashastra, they have discussed about silk trade or silk route between India and China. The silk route even exists even today also between India, Pakistan and China. The religion which originated in India has found wide acceptance in China is A. Hinduism, B. Jainism, C. Sikhism, it's D. Buddhism. Yes, children, the correct answer is Buddhism. Buddhism originated in India, but it was widely accepted in China. But now Buddhism is not accepted by Chinese. They have their own religion called Shintoism and Confucianism. Confucianism, Shintoism and Taoism are the religions which are practiced largely in China. They have link with Buddhism. Panchashila principles were signed between A. India and Russia, B. India and Pakistan, C. India and China, D. India and Afghanistan. Yes, children, you are correct. It was signed between India and China in the year 1954. So the Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, and the Premier of China, Zhou Enlai, both signed these Panchashila principles to maintain good friendship between both the countries. A war broke between India and China in 1962 due to A. the escalation of Tibetan crisis, B. China and Pakistan agreement, C. Doklam issues, D. re-establishment of Silk Route. Yes, children, you are correct. The correct answer is A. the escalation of Tibetan crisis. The main bone of contention between India and China is China's claim on A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Tibet, C. Manas Sarovar, and is D. Arunachal Pradesh. Yes, children, the correct answer is D. Arunachal Pradesh. China wrongly claims that Arunachal Pradesh belonged to them. Even many times, they have showed in their official website and official map that Arunachal Pradesh is a part of China. So right now, this is the bone of contention between both the countries. The organization established with continued efforts of India and the China in 2015 is SAARC, BRICS, ASEAN, OAU. Yes, children, the correct answer is BRICS. This is the association of 5 countries: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. These 5 countries together established an organization called BRICS for their development. Question number 8. The act which created India and Pakistan as 2 sovereign countries is A. Government of India Act, B. Indian Council Act, C. Indian Independent Act, it's D. Charter Act. Yes, children, you are correct. Answer is C. Indian Independent Act. Indian Independent Act passed in 1947. In this act, so India was divided into 2 nations, 2 sovereign countries. One is India and the other one is Pakistan. Question number 9. Shimla Agreement and Agra Conferences were signed between A. India and China, B. India and Pakistan, C. India and Russia, D. India and Sri Lanka. Yes, children, the correct answer is India and Pakistan. So between India and Pakistan, Shimla and Agra Agreement conferences were signed to maintain good relationship, but later on they failed. Pakistani Prime Minister or President, whoever came later, they failed to continue or keep their promise. Pathankot attack has affected bilateral relationships between A. India and China, B. India and Pakistan, C. India and Russia, D. India and Sri Lanka. Yes, children, you are correct. Answer is B. India and Pakistan. So when terrorists attacked on Pathankot, so that spoiled the relationship between India and Pakistan. It was a terror attack. India and Pakistan have clashed over the years about A. Jammu and Kashmir issues, B. Terrorism issue, C. Religious issues, D. Refugees issues. Yes, children, the correct answer is A. Jammu and Kashmir issues. So this is again bone of contention between India and Pakistan. How China is wrongly claiming that Arunachal Pradesh belonged to them, like Pakistan is also claiming on Jammu Kashmir. USSR had supported the Tashkent Agreement between A. India and China, B. India and Pakistan, C. India and Russia, D. India and Sri Lanka. Yes, children, you're correct. The answer is B. India and Pakistan. In 1965, there was a war between India and Pakistan. That time, Russia or USSR mediated between these 2 countries. And they were called to Tashkent, a place called Tashkent. Then an agreement was signed between India and Pakistan. So India's Prime Minister was Lal Bahadur Shastri, and Pakistan was Prime Minister was Ayub Khan. Both signed this Tashkent Agreement in the mediation of Russia or USSR. 20 Years for Peace and Cooperation Pact was signed in 1971 between USA and USSR, Pakistan and USSR, India and USSR, India and USA. Yes, children, the correct answer is India and USSR. Both countries signed 20 Years Peace Pact. So this pact was inactive from 1971 to 1991. Even India took huge amount of long-term loan from Russia through this 20 Years Peace Pact, Peace and Cooperation Pact. Pact means agreement. USSR had supported India to start A. Narora and Tarapur nuclear plant, Shivanasamudra and Kali idle projects, Mysore and Tarapur nuclear plants, and Bhilai and Bokaro steel plants. Yes, children, the correct answer is Bhilai and Bokaro steel plants. So Russia financed and gave all kind of support to India to start iron and steel plants at Bhilai and Bokaro. The country which supported India to liberate Goa liberation was Portugal, Russia, France, England. The correct answer is B, Russia. So Russia supported India to liberate Goa. Goa was liberated in the year A, 1954, B, 1955, C, 1961, D, 1962. Yes, children, the correct answer is 1961. Goa was liberated. Till 1961, Goa was under the control of Portuguese. So as you people learned in the previous chapters, Goa was the capital of Portuguese, and even Portuguese were the first to enter India and last to leave India. They entered India in 1498 with the discovery of new sea route to India by Vasco da Gama. They left India in 1961 with the liberation of Goa. The countries which had opposed China's invasions of India were Portugal and USA, USSR and USA, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, England and France. Yes, children. Answer is B, USSR and USA. Both Russia and America opposed Chinese invasions of India. The country which invaded our country in 1962 was Pakistan, England, China, Sri Lanka. Yes, children, the correct answer is C, China. Due to Tibetan issue, China attacked on India in 1962. The country that has extended its support to India's quest for permanent seat in the UN Security Council is A, North Korea, B, America, C, China, it's D, Russia. The correct answer is D, Russia. So Russia always supports India to become a permanent member of Security Council. Right now, there are 5 permanent members in Security Council. They are America, France, England, China, Russia. So Russia's wish is make India is also a permanent member in Security Council. The country which extended support to Pakistan during Indo-Pak War was North Korea, America, China, Russia. The answer is America. Option B, America. So America had entered the agreement with Pakistan. As per that agreement, during Indo-Pak War, America supported Pakistan. And even a few rulers of America prepared their foreign policy as pro-Pakistan and anti-Indian. So, but nowadays, the relationship between both the countries is comparatively better. That is between India and America. Thank you, children. For more videos, subscribe to this channel and also practice the questions again and again. And even I have told you, people, if you have missed any videos, so there is the links in description box. Go to the links and click on the link so you can go to the previous videos. Thank you.